Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Today I thought I would do a quick little show and tell of the January through April Cut Above Card Kit. That's our subscription card program. Here is the little flyer that comes and it shows you all of the cards. You make 2 each of 10 cards. These kits always come with an exclusive stamp set. This is only available with the purchase of the kit. They always throw in a little block for you, which is awesome, and the ink that you'll need to do your stamping. So let's get these out of the way and I will quickly show you the cards. So again, you make 2 each. Isn't that sweet? That's really pretty. It does include the envelopes. So this goes like this, and that opens like that. That's kind of a little bit of a fun fold. And aren't those puppies cute? Isn't that sweet? Then we've got some balloons. This is a thank you. I changed the sentiment on this one. This was a little more lovey-dovey, and I just did "You Are In My Thoughts" because I think hearts work with "You Are In My Thoughts," and that's the beauty of this. You don't have to use the sentiments that they suggest. You can customize it to make it work for you. This is a fun little card. This is kind of fun. It stands up just like that. Isn't that sweet? And then you just smoosh it over to one side so that it will fit in your envelope. Then they also included 2 different designs of slimline cards. So cute. I just love all of them. I love having them ready to go. It's a quick grab when I need to send a card out. And I just think they are worth the investment. It took me roughly 2 hours to make all of these cards. That's 20 cards in 2 hours. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you will give this a thought and consider going to barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com and clicking on subscriptions and checking it out for yourself. Thank you for stopping by. Have a blessed, crafty day, and I'll see you next time.